Hello there, petrol heads and tech enthusiasts. Have you ever imagined a world where traffic jams are a distant memory and cars drive themselves? Well, buckle up, because the future of transportation is more thrilling than a supercar rally. We're on the brink of a revolution in how we get around, and it's going to be a wild ride. Think roads that talk to your car, telling it when to slow down or change lanes. Picture electric vehicles zipping around, leaving nothing but a whisper in their wake. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered by a drone right to your doorstep. This isn't science fiction, folks. This is the future that's just around the corner. In this essay, we'll take a look at the incredible technologies that are going to transform our roads and vehicles, making them safer, more efficient, and yes, even more exciting. So get ready for a glimpse into the future of transportation. It's going to be a fascinating journey. Imagine a road that could think and talk to your car. That's the basic idea behind smart roads. They use sensors and communication systems to create a safer and smoother driving experience. Think of it like having a co-pilot that can see around corners, warn you about hazards, and even help you find a parking space. These roads are equipped with all sorts of clever technology. Sensors embedded in the asphalt can detect traffic flow, weather conditions, and even accidents. They can then relay this information to your car, giving you a heads up about potential dangers or delays. But that's not all. Smart roads can also communicate with traffic lights, optimizing traffic flow and reducing congestion. This means less time stuck in traffic and more time enjoying the open road, or at least a slightly less congested road. With smart roads, driving becomes a breeze. They're like having an invisible co-pilot, making sure you get to your destination safely and efficiently. Remember the days when self-driving cars were the stuff of science fiction? Well, those days are long gone. Autonomous vehicles are here, and they're ready to change the world. These vehicles use a combination of sensors, cameras, and artificial intelligence to navigate roads without any human intervention. They can detect obstacles, follow traffic laws, and even park themselves, all while you sit back and relax. Now, I know what you're thinking, but are they safe? And that's a valid question. The truth is, autonomous vehicles have the potential to be much safer than human drivers. They don't get tired, distracted, or emotional, which are major factors in most accidents. Of course, there are still some kinks to work out, but the technology is advancing rapidly. In the not-too-distant future, driverless cars will be as common as smartphones, revolutionizing our roads and our lives. Imagine a world with fewer accidents, less traffic congestion, and more freedom to get around. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles. Remember the roar of a powerful engine, the smell of gasoline in the air? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those sensations, because the future of driving is electric. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are taking the world by storm, and for good reason. They're quiet, efficient, and best of all, they don't produce any tailpipe emissions. That means cleaner air for everyone, which is something we can all get behind. Plus, EVs are just plain fun to drive. They offer instant torque, which translates to lightning-fast acceleration. And with fewer moving parts, they require less maintenance than traditional gasoline-powered cars. But it's not just about the cars themselves. The infrastructure surrounding EVs is also evolving rapidly. Charging stations are popping up everywhere, and battery technology is constantly improving, extending the range of these vehicles. The electric revolution is here, and it's only going to get bigger and better. So if you're thinking about buying a new car, it might be time to go electric. Section 5: AI and IoT, making our roads smarter. Now let's talk about the brains behind all this incredible technology, artificial intelligence, or AI, and the Internet of Things, known as IoT. These two powerful forces are working together to make our roads safer, more efficient, and more connected than ever before. Think of AI as the brain of a smart city's transportation system. It can analyze massive amounts of data from sensors, cameras, and even social media to predict traffic patterns, optimize traffic flow, and even prevent accidents before they happen. That's where the IoT comes in. It's like the nervous system, connecting everything together. Traffic lights, cars, smartphones, and even pedestrians can communicate with each other, sharing information and coordinating their movements. This creates a seamless and intelligent transportation network that's constantly learning and adapting. With AI and IoT at the helm, our roads are becoming smarter and safer every day. Section 6. Mobility as a service. Your phone, your ticket to ride. In the future, owning a car might become a thing of the past. Instead, we'll embrace the concept of mobility as a service, or MaaS. This revolutionary approach to transportation treats mobility as a service that you can access whenever and however you need it. Imagine this. You open an app on your smartphone and tell it where you want to go. The app instantly calculates the fastest, cheapest, and most efficient way to get there, combining public transportation, ride-sharing services, bike-sharing programs, and even scooter rentals. You choose the option that suits you best. Pay for it seamlessly through the app, and you're on your way. No more worrying about parking, car payments, or insurance. MaaS simplifies transportation, making it more convenient, affordable, and accessible for everyone. Section 7. Delivery drones. Ordering pizza has never been easier. Remember when you had to wait ages for a pizza delivery? Well, those days are numbered thanks to the rise of delivery drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are poised to revolutionize the way we receive goods and services. Imagine ordering a pizza and having it delivered to your doorstep in minutes, not hours. That's the power of drone delivery. But it's not just about pizza. Drones can be used to deliver a wide range of items, from medicine and groceries to packages and even emergency supplies. They can navigate traffic, avoid obstacles, and even land precisely at your location. With drone delivery, we can expect faster delivery times, reduced traffic congestion, and even lower emissions. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Section 8. Flying cars. What's next in the world of transportation? We've talked about self-driving cars, electric vehicles, and delivery drones, but what about flying cars? Is that just a futuristic fantasy, or could it become a reality? Well, the truth is, flying cars are closer than you might think. Several companies are developing personal aerial vehicles that can take off and land vertically, allowing you to soar above traffic jams and reach your destination in a fraction of the time. These flying machines are like a cross between a car and a helicopter, offering the convenience of personal transportation with the freedom of flight. Imagine bypassing rush hour traffic by simply taking to the skies. Of course, there are still some hurdles to overcome, such as safety regulations and air traffic control, but the dream of flying cars is very much alive, and it's only a matter of time before they become a part of our transportation landscape. Section 9. The road ahead. How will these changes affect us? The future of transportation is full of exciting possibilities, but it also raises some important questions. How will these changes affect our lives, our cities, and our planet? One of the biggest concerns is job displacement. As automation takes over, what will happen to the millions of people who work as truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery drivers? It's a valid concern, and it's crucial that we find ways to retrain and support these workers as we transition to a more automated future. Another challenge is ensuring that these technologies are accessible to everyone, regardless of income or location. We need to make sure that the benefits of autonomous vehicles, electric vehicles, and MaaS are shared by all members of society. And then there are the ethical considerations. Who is responsible if a self-driving car gets into an accident? How do we prevent AI from being biased in its decision-making? These are complex issues that require careful consideration as we navigate this new era of transportation. Despite these challenges, the future of transportation is bright. By embracing these advancements responsibly and thoughtfully, we can create a world where getting around is safer, more efficient, more sustainable, and yes, even more enjoyable. So buckle up and get ready for the ride of your life.